Something kind of satisfying about grinding off rusty patches, don't you think? This is some old rust treatment that I've had from way back. This is Permatex. This is Loctite that I got more recently. It's all good, and it's all probably got phosphoric acid in it, which is what we used to use 40 plus years ago when I was working in the antique shop down in Georgia. But so many people write to me and say, oh, if you spray some rust neutralizer on that, it'll be good for it. And I think, yep, that's right. I agree. So that's what I'm doing. Putting a little bit of this on here. I can come back later and paint it or fix it up or whatever, but it's not a bad idea. In fact, this whole thing could be done with that or with something, but for today I just thought I'd get out my rust neutralizer for all of y'all who keep telling me I should use it. Oh, the joy. This little, I think they call this a flapper disc, but my neighbor borrowed it from me the other day. He said, man, that thing works good on grinding off rust. And I thought, yeah, sure does. That's kind of fun. I like it. I don't have much spray left in this, but it's still dripping out a little, so enough to get some on there. That's good. Better than nothing. Better than poking the eye with a sharp stick, you know. I should probably put something on this here. Should probably put some paint down there. I got a spot right here I need to do. It looks pretty picturesque just like that, don't you think? Y'all paying attention there? I'm thinking about getting this thing out of here. I need to go to town later today, and Honey Baby needs to use her car, and it's supposed to snow. So I was thinking, well, I've kind of done up underneath it, and I've done this and this, and I still want to do the trailer hitch, but I could get it down and out of here for use in upcoming snow events. We'll see. There's another little spot on that fender. I think I'll go around the other side. See what else I can get into over there. Oh, the joy. There's a spot right there. I'm almost afraid to pull off this piece of rubber stuff on the side. Afraid it'll look probably won't look as bad as the other side. But I bet I'll find a lot of rust under there. I may just leave it like this for now. I'm supposed to have a warmer day coming up. One day next week. Yeah, baby. I think I saw another rusty spot over on the other side by where the gas tank is. I might want to squirt a little primer on these spots here just for fun. Holy joy. Yeah. Might let that phosphoric acid dry. Wipe all the dust off with a cloth. Just get me a little paint over the rusty spots. Just as a little temporary hold measure till I decide to go further.